babies. Chicken lickings. Yummy. I know you all are down with that. Leftover pieces of Walmart whole chicken. Yum. Better than that cat food. I'm just wondering if you all eat the bones and all. Is it good? We just put it in the skin, some bones. We don't know if they eat bones or not. I think they do. Pieces of meat, just basically what was left of a whole chicken after we picked up all the meat that we wanted. Well, that one got a big piece. Said, see ya. You did eat that piece you dropped in there, I'll be damned. Yeah, just go along, you'll pick up all the pieces that the other one dropped. Gotta wash those feet. Get that chicken grease off. This is the first time we're feeding them a smorgasbord like this. We just usually do cat food. Sometimes eggs. What they don't eat, I have a feeling the possums will eat.